Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best fiber optic cleaning is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of maintaining a high-performance network. Fiber optic cables, crucial for high-speed data transmission, are susceptible to performance degradation caused by contaminants. In this video, we'll explore the best cleaning solutions, ensuring your network operates at peak efficiency and reliability by keeping those connections pristine. Number 5. TUTOOLS Fiber Optic Cleaner Pen. Introducing the TUTOOLS Fiber Optic Cleaner Pen. This pen is designed for cleaning fiber optic connectors. It's a quick and effective solution for maintaining your network. Made with anti-static materials, this cleaner pen uses a dry cleaning cloth. It's built to last, providing over 800 cleans for various connector types. With its one-touch design, cleaning is incredibly easy. Just one push and it cleans in a second. A full sweep is achieved by rotating 180 degrees, with an audible click to confirm engagement. The cleaning effect is outstanding, achieving cleanliness levels of 95% or higher. It's particularly effective against water and oil, outperforming traditional cleaning methods. The pen features a clear window, allowing you to monitor the remaining microfiber tape. This helps you keep track of how many cleans you have left, up to 800 times. Did you know that 90% of fiber optic connection failures are due to contamination? This pen ensures a clean end face, which is crucial for reliable network transmission. Using this is the simplest way to prevent issues. What we like. This fiber optic cleaner offers over 800 cleans, ensuring long-lasting use. Its one-touch design makes cleaning quick and easy, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient cleaner for frequent use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Definitely works. I've cleaned some fiber and optics with low light level that worked after cleaning. Provides a clean connector, all I need in a fiber cleaner. Cleans all your fibers, SFP cards, bridge ports, etc. Great for the telecommunication business. Number 4. Fiber optic connector cleaner for 1.25 mm 2.5 mm connectors. This is a fiber optic connector cleaner. It is designed to clean various types of connectors, ensuring optimal performance. This tool helps maintain the cleanliness of your fiber optic connections. The cleaner has excellent anti-static properties. This feature prevents dust from reattaching to the ferrule after cleaning. It ensures a thorough and effective cleaning process. The cleaning tape is replaceable, making it cost-effective. Each tape can be used for over 500 wipes. This design provides long-lasting and economical use. It works for various connectors, including LC, MTP, MTO, SC, FC, and ST, in both 1.25 mm and 2.5 mm sizes. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. It is a very useful tool. The cleaning process achieves a cleanliness level of 95% or above. It is especially effective for removing water and oil. Its cleaning effect is far better than traditional swab cleaning rods. The cleaning system rotates 180 degrees for a full sweep. The densely stranded microfibers are debris-free. This ensures a comprehensive and efficient cleaning action. The package includes one fiber optic cleaning box and a manual. This provides everything you need to effectively clean and maintain your fiber optic connectors. It is easy to use. What we like. This cleaner boasts excellent anti-static properties, preventing dust reattachment. The cleaning tape is replaceable, making it cost-effective. If you want a cleaner that offers both superior cleaning and long-term value, this is the one for you. What people say. They are cost-effective and save a lot of time wasted troubleshooting link loss as long as you train your employees to use the device consistently. Very easy to use and great for the field. This product performed as advertised. Number 3. Fiber optic cleaning kit for various connectors. This kit includes everything you need for fiber optic cleaning. It comes with a fiber cleaning cassette, cleaning pens, swabs, wipes, and more. It's a comprehensive solution for your cleaning needs. Contamination is a major cause of network failures. This kit helps prevent those failures. Using this kit ensures your connections are clean and performing optimally. We've selected the essential tools for your fiber optic cleaning tasks. This kit is designed to quickly and effectively clean connector end faces. It removes dust, oil, and other debris. The cleaning cassette and pens offer great value. They can be used multiple times, providing a low cost per clean. It's a smart investment for maintaining your network. This kit is perfect for various applications. It's ideal for fusion splice prep and cleaning connectors. Using it helps maximize your network's performance. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for fiber optic cleaning. It's cost-effective, offering a low cost per clean. If you need a complete solution for various cleaning tasks, this kit will meet all your needs. What people say. Great kit to keep on hand if a customer ever has an issue with dirty fibers. The product works as advertised. Number 2. MicroCare MCC-POC03M Fiber Optic Cleaner 3 ounces. This is the MicroCare MCC-POC03M, a fiber optic splice and connector cleaner. It comes in a convenient 3-ounce size. This product is designed to keep your fiber optic connections clean. The cleaner is highly effective at removing contaminants. It ensures optimal performance of your fiber optic systems. Using it helps maintain the integrity of your connections. This product is very easy to apply. Simply use it to clean the fiber optic connectors. It's a quick and efficient way to maintain your equipment. The 3-ounce size is perfect for various applications. It's compact enough to carry around. It provides enough cleaner for multiple uses. MicroCare is a trusted brand in the industry. This product upholds their high standards. You can rely on it for your cleaning needs. What we like. This fiber optic cleaner is from MicroCare. If you are looking for a reliable brand, you should consider this. What people say. The product works as advertised and is easy to use. The cleaning process is very effective in removing dust and debris. The design is compact and portable, making it convenient for field use. Number 1. Corning FCC-CLEANER-FIBER Fiber Optic Cleaning Fluid. Introducing the Corning Fiber Optic Cleaning Fluid. This is a specialized cleaning solution designed for fiber optic components. It effectively removes contaminants to ensure optimal performance. The FCC-CLEANER-FIBER model is from Corning. It's formulated to provide a safe and efficient cleaning process. It helps to maintain the integrity of your fiber optic connections. This fluid is essential for maintaining clean fiber optic connections. Its use can prevent signal loss and ensure reliable data transmission. It's a must-have for any fiber optic setup. By using this cleaning fluid, you can ensure your network operates at its best. It helps to extend the lifespan of your equipment. This product is a reliable solution for your cleaning needs. Corning is a trusted name in fiber optic solutions. This cleaning fluid reflects their commitment to quality and performance. You can rely on it to keep your connections clean. What we like. This fiber optic cleaner is from Corning. If you are looking for a reliable brand, you should consider this. What people say. The cleaner works great. It cleans the fiber optic connectors very well. This product is exactly as described and works perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.